Hey guys, it's Sammy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Christmas lights cupcakes, and I decided to make these cupcakes for Aiden's teachers at preschool. Let's just say it's December 21st and I went to the store. I was trying to find all the things that I need, sugar, flour, everything that I was out of for these cupcakes, and I couldn't find them. You know, there was just, it's too close to Christmas, and I had to opt for a cake box mix. I know, I'm embarrassed, and I couldn't even find sour cream, so I couldn't even do like a good cake box hack. So, you know, being 8 months pregnant, I really didn't want to travel around to 20 different stores, so I settled for it. I warned the ladies at his school that it's not gonna be the best. So that ended up being my disappointment number one for the day. And then I go to get powdered sugar. They're out of powdered sugar. So now I can't even make some good icing to go with these okay cupcakes. So I was just completely flabbergasted at this point. So I go to the bakery and I'm like, hey, I've heard that you guys sell icing to the public. Is that true? And she's like, absolutely, we do. So I ended up buying 8 cups of icing. So let's just see how this goes. So I have this round tip. So I just cut it so that the edge of the piping tip just comes out just a little bit. The decorating tip I'm using is a Wilton 2A round tip. These are the tubs of icing that I got from Walmart, and I literally had to whip so much air out of this icing. There was a ton of air in it, and you just want to do this anyways. Whether you're making icing yourself, you just need to whip that air back out. So if you've ever had holes, it's because you haven't whipped the air bubbles back out. Now moving on to the green food dye that I needed to add in order to make those Christmas light strands. I am using the Chefmaster leaf green color. I love their product because it really doesn't take very much of their product to make that color that you're looking for, so I highly recommend them. I also love Americolor. You guys have probably seen them in my other videos. It's always a really good idea on your very first cupcake that you're decorating to go ahead and decorate it from start to finish. That way you get an idea of what you like, what you want to change or adjust, and then you can go ahead and decorate the rest of your cupcakes. So here's the finished product. I think they came out beautiful. They did look like little Christmas tree light strands. So I love them. I thought that they were super cute. A really simple, easy cupcake design that anyone could do, even if they are just beginning baking. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.